Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can removing background in the CapCut apps. So prepare your videos, and I already have the video that will be edit. And to remove the background, you are just going to click on the clip and select cutout. So there are three options here: remove background, customize cutout, and chroma key. And for the kind of uh, from this kind of the video, you're just going to remove background. So I think you have to just this remove background for this kind of the video and just click check mark. So you can also add the cutout stroke, for example, and select for the mode of cutout, and then select the color, adjust for the size and opacity. Just click check mark, and that's it. So that's all. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. So thank you so much for watching.